Hi guys, I just came out to support my student Gabriel. If you know you're into coding, you're into website development, you're into creation of that involves any code at all, do well to come check out this YouTube channel, Code with Gabriel. Code with Gabriel. If you're looking to start coding HTML, you just want to know about tech, this is a channel where you can learn quite a lot of stuff about coding. So you just type Code with Gabriel, you search, you're going to see a channel currently with 6 subscribers that has this logo. You just come subscribe, do well to hit the notification button. There's a lot of content out there that will help you navigate through. It will make your coding journey very easy, very easy. These videos are explained with coding examples. It will take you through the basic stuff you need for your coding journey. So do well to come check this YouTube page out. Code with Gabriel is a new page. This guy is hot. You know, when they are always starting something, it's very hot. It's hot with updates on coding, updates on tech, any tech related stuff you're about to learn. Just come watch the videos, drop comments, ask questions. He's going to reply you. So this is basically what the channel is about. Thank you. Do well to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like this video.